जिसका नाम है उसका नाम न ले और पॉइंट आउट किस
I am on Rule 352, Clause Roman 5.
श्री रविशंकर जी
While speaking, reflect upon the conduct of persons in high office, authority, unless discussion is based on a substantive motion drawn in terms of proper terms. अभी उन्होंने प्राइम मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया, मंत्रियों का नाम लिया. Has he made any substantive motion? नहीं है तो रिजेक्ट करिए.
ठीक
It is completely against the rules.
नहीं अब मेरी बात सुन लीजिए एक बात मेरी सुन लीजिए उन्होंने 352 कहा है लेकिन मैं नहीं सौगत राय जी नहीं मैं राहुल जी आपका 353 की तरफ कर रहा हूँ आपने एक भारत सरकार के मिनिस्टर का नाम लिया and you have labeled the charge against him. If you will go through the rule 353, no allegations of a defamatory or incriminatory nature shall be made by a member against any person unless the member has given adequate advance. Now you have labeled the charges against him. So please, being a leader of opposition, I think so. Notice, then adequate advance notice. Then you can mention the name of any minister. And if you have, आप बैठिए नहीं ऐसे देखिए नहीं whatever Rahul has made allegation that will not go on the record. Now you can speak.
1 minute,
No.
Sir, 1
You
minute.
have made allegation.
Yes,
You have made
I agree,
allegation
sir.
that will not go on the record.
Sir, agree, sir. But Rule 352 is only applicable for leader of opposition.
No, I am reading 350.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
353.
1 minute, sir. Rule 352, mentioning about Ravi Shankar Prasad ji raised the issue. In that house, 2 days before, a member has given a very, very derogatory remarks against the former Prime Minister. Two former Prime Minister. Where was this Rule 352?
Applicable to everybody, not only for him, not only for him. That will be applicable. Please kindly take it. That is applicable for to him. Please, no. Rahul Gandhi.
Speaker, sir, Anil Ambani is not a member of the House. He's not. So I can speak about Anil Ambani. He's a defense. He's involved in defense, sir. He's involved in defense. He's involved in defense budget.
Leave industry.
To explain his, whatever you are leveling charges against him, so I think so you will not take. Please.
So there is a certain businessman
Yes.
whose name has appeared in Epstein files, and that businessman is not in jail. That businessman has criminal cases against him.
The subject. What file you are taking? No, Epstein file. No, not. How I can allow you? No. You are mentioning it is how if any subject is not related with the budget, you can't speak. Please, you can't speak. You can't speak. Rahul, you.
So I will tell you what. Well, I will.
आप
Sir, I
अपना
will
बजट पे ठीक ट्रैक पे थे अब क्यों
Sir, I will-
ट्रैक से जा रहे बाहर मतलब you were on
Sir,
right track
sir,
you were
Speaker, sir.
absolutely on right track
Sir,
अब I
Speaker,
think so
sir.
why you are just
Speaker, sir, you are ex-Congress party member. So I will do you a special favor today, sir.
नहीं
I will back down.
ये चार्ज है ना ये भी कार्रवाई का हिस्सा नहीं बनेगा मैं अगर आपको if you don't have any propriety for the chair if you don't have sometime your even present member of parliament used to occupy this chair Selja is also for
Speaker, sir,
and
you know
this is
we know you have fondness for you.
Speaker
You are an
Speaker
ex-member of our party.
Absolutely.
So I will not go very aggressive today.
why you are mentioning too much
You are a member of our party, sir. Ex-member.
Ex-member, no. But
And we are fond of you, sir.
I'm here.
We like you.
I'm here as a presiding officer.
But we like you,
But
sir.
अगर हमारी बात आप
And we
मानते
know
हैं-
your heart is not there, sir.
अगर आप मेरी
We
बात
know your
मान-
heart is here, sir.
नहीं मेरी बात अगर आप मानते तो वहाँ नहीं बैठे होते आप अगर if you are sitting there तो only because of you have not taken my advice here I'm advising you here if I'm advising that you should move on the correct track So I think so. Still you have time. Still you have time to. You should